Hi everyone, I'm Rick Kessler from RVBusiness and welcome to our premiere episode of OEM Showcase On Location, where we shed the light on some of those OEM brands that are driving innovation and making the RV lifestyle such a wonderful experience for so many people. Let's go talk with Shirley Cartwright. She's the product manager for the Sabre division at Forest River. She's going to give us some of those model year highlights for 2025, starting with the 33 RLP. Well, here we are inside the Sabre 33 RLP with Shirley Cartwright, product manager for the Sabre division of Forest River. Shirley, I want to have you tell me about this particular unit, but before we do, how about the overview of some of the 2025 model year highlights for the Sabres?
Okay, for 2025, we looked at bringing more practicality to the units. We wanted more of a residential look. Our goal is to have a unit that has a lot of luxury, a lot of convenience items, a lot of storage, but at a price point that people can afford. So we are the #2 Forest River fifth wheel right now, and we are the #1 luxury fifth wheel in the Forest River line. We have no options, so we keep everything standard. So what you see, you're going to get it in all Sabres.
Some of the highlights then, some of the things that make a Sabre, what are those?
So like you've got solid surface countertops, you got true wood cabinetry, you've got 5/8 tongue and groove on your flooring, PVC roofing material which has a lifetime warranty. We did put 2 awnings on the units this year to give you more shaded outdoor camping space. Sabres all have campsite windows, so you're looking at your campsite, not your neighbor's campsite. Washer dryer hookup. So we just do a lot of things that we know make it more convenient and fun for our consumer, such as the auto level.
Very good. Shirley, that sounds fantastic. But let's talk about this 33 RLP. We're inside the unit right now, and it's really pretty cool.
Yes, I'm super excited about this one. We did put a 70-inch TV in here, 60-inch fireplace. The L-shaped sofa in the living room actually pulls out into a huge sleeping area as well. The most exciting part, of course, is that outside patio. So this is not much bigger than a slide. So no matter what campsite you're on, you don't have to worry about a big patio going out. Like, you can use this patio no matter what size your campsite is. If you can get a slide out, you can get that patio out. It's got the glass front, the screens on the side, so it's really safe for the kids, which is very important. But you've got a really nice view of whatever that beautiful scenery is that you're at, whether it's trees, mountains, the lake, whatever. You've got a beautiful view to be out there drinking your coffee in the morning, watching the sunset at night. Yeah. So just a beautiful area, and it has an awning over it, so you're not going to get wet. So if that weather's not the best, you're still covered.
And you're standing inside the extremely accommodating kitchen, but yet you're not lacking for anything.
No, lots and lots and lots of counter space here. You've got a flip up for an extra counter space. You've got the workstation sink, which this has little rinsers in it. A workstation. It's got your cutting board, cup rinser, soap dispenser, you name it, it's got it. Plus you've got this really large pantry, and you've got the spot for the brooms, things like that. And then you got the 16 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. So they do come with solar as well, so 12-volt, it's a really nice feature.
And I like that you have the, let's call it a wine rack, but I might put other adult beverages up there as well. But right above the microwave, right above the range with oven, 3-burner range we ought to point out, because that's pretty, most people are going to 2 burners nowadays. And
it's got a very large oven, so you can actually cook a turkey in here. So that's important for those people that are going to spend 3 and 4 months, you know, in the winter somewhere. They can actually function just like they do at home. So a nice residential size, convection on the microwave.
Now, next, take us upstairs. Tell us what some of the things are up there.
Okay, so, all right, so up here you've got a nice spacious bathroom. We've got a huge shower with a seat in it. And then we also have a pull-out linen here. So you can actually use all of that space. You're not digging to the back or losing things back in the back. Nice big medicine cabinet. And then up here in the front, you've got a king-size bed. Huge closet with triple doors. You can do washer dryer up in the front. And then you've also got this hidden storage in your headboard. So it's a smart storage headboard. It's got plugins, USBs and stuff on top too. And then a 4-drawer dresser. You've also got plenty of space under the bed for storage, of course. All of our Sabres also come with two 15K ACs, by the way, so you're going to stay nice and cool in here.
That sounds terrific. Why don't you show us some of the outside?
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go over a few of the outside features with you guys. So for one, we've got the auto level, which I did mention earlier too, so very convenient for that camper. Heated and enclosed underbelly and gate valves. You've also got vacuum bonded walls, vacuum bonded slides, solar reflective windows. I love talking about the solar reflective windows. They're what they use on the high-rise buildings to keep the heat out, but let the natural light in, so it keeps your unit so much more efficient in the summer. You've also got tire pressure sensors out here, so you can keep an eye on that tire pressure. And then you've got two awnings, like I mentioned earlier too, so you have more shaded campsite for you. Up front in the pass-through, I did almost skip over it, but you've got outside refrigerator. You do have a quick connect gas line or line for your gas grill, so you can put a gas grill right next to it. You've got coax for your television, so if you want an outside TV, you can do that as well. And then of course the beautiful patio back there, so a lot of great space back here. 2-inch receiver on the back that's rated 300 pounds hitch weight. And then you've got backup camera prep too. Okay, for the specs on this, it is right under 40 feet. You're under the 12,000 pound mark and about 2,500 carrying capacity. I do want to talk about our Norco frames. We're very, very proud of our Norco frames. We've been running Norco frames for about 3 years now, but this frame, when they design a frame for us, they don't just give us a 40-foot frame to go with a 40-foot unit. They actually look at the exact layout of the floor plan, and they specifically design it to each specific floor plan so that all the support and the structure is in the right place. Not only that, is a hug bolted frame, and it's also coated so that it doesn't rust. But once again, we've been using it for a while and we're very proud of them. It's a very strong frame.
Shirley, I want to thank you for having us out. A lot to like about the Sabre line in general, but also this 33RLP in particular. We will see you next time when we're on location for OEM Showcase.